don't know. I'm scared. I'm scared. It's hungry. Oh, look, this one's hungry. Oi. It wants to steal that carrot.
Stand. I'm beginning to think it's more actually.
Oh, yeah, that lettuce.
Okay.
Oh, a bunch of kids just came in. It's like, I'm going away from you kids.
It's almost like I only eat from the buckets.
Oh my goodness.
I only eat from buckets when you don't want to feed me. You a carrot guy? Huh? You a carrot guy?
He's just looking. Just looking.
Try the carrot. You like the carrot instead?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Where's she? Look at that. Aw, those are cute.